With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us was, if one of the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 be reciprocal of one of the a1x square roots of the b1x plus c1 equal to 0, then we have to prove that a1 minus c1 whole square is equals to bc1 minus ab1 multiplied by b1c minus a1b. We have to prove this. So first of all, let one of the roots of the equation that is this ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 be alpha, then the root of the equation a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equals to 0. So its roots become, that is reciprocal. So a root of the equation this is 1 by alpha. So now if the root of the equation is alpha and the root of this equation is 1 by alpha, so they will satisfy this. So we can say that we can write it as a alpha whole square plus b of alpha plus c is equals to 0. Let this equation be the first equation, and for the second equation it will be a1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by alpha whole square plus b1 multiplied by 1 by alpha plus c1 is equals to 0. So now if we take the LCM here, we get it will be the a1 plus b1 alpha plus c1 alpha square is equals to 0, because this LCM, that is alpha square multiplied by 0, we get 0. So let this equation be the second equation. So now we can say that if we multiply this first equation, if we multiply the first equation by a, if we multiply the first equation by c1, that is by c1, and if we multiply the second equation, by a, if we multiply first, that is this equation, by c1, and we multiply this second equation by a and subtract them, and this is subtract them, we get, and if we subtract them, then we get, this will be equals to the, so this term multiplied by a1, it will be c1, it will become c1a alpha square plus c1 b alpha plus c1 is equals to 0. Similarly, if this term multiplied by a, we get c1a alpha square plus this will become a b1 alpha plus, that is a1a, that is we can say that a1 equal to 0. So now if we subtract these terms, these two terms cancel out, we get this is equals to the, if we take alpha common from here, if we take, we get this will be equals to the c1b minus ab1. Similarly, plus if we take nothing common, that is this will become c1 minus a1 is equals to 0. These are the two terms that we are getting from this. So from here we get the value of alpha. So the alpha is equals to, we can say that this term will go this side, it will become minus, so we can write it as, this will become alpha is equal to a1 minus c1, that is divided by, that is this term which is c1b, that is c1b minus ab1. This is the value of alpha. Now put the value of alpha in the first equation, that is this equation. If we put the value of alpha, so we get a, and then alpha square. So the value of alpha square is a1 minus c1 divided by c1b minus ab1 whole square plus b times of alpha, that is a1 minus c1 divided by c1b minus ab1, and this will be the plus c that is last term is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c, that is plus c, is equals to 0. So now if we take the LCM here, we get this was equals to a multiplied by a1 minus c1 whole square plus b multiplied by a1 minus c1 multiplied by c1b minus ab1 plus c multiplied by c1b minus ab1 is equals to 0. So now if we open these brackets, we get the value that this will be the a multiplied by a1 minus c1 whole square plus, if we take c1b minus ab1 common from these terms, we get, if we take c1b minus ab1 common, we get this will multiply with this term, we get ba1 minus bc1. Similarly, this will become plus c1b last minus acb1, and this will be equals to 0. So this bcc1 and cc1b, these two terms cancel out. So we get the value that this will be the a1 minus cc1 whole square plus c1b minus ab1, and in the bracket this will be the baa1 minus acb1 is equals to 0. So now if we take these terms to this side, this we will get this will be equals to aa1 minus cc1 whole square is equals to, so this negative sign changes, it will become, and if we take a also common from here, we get a multiply by, this will be the cb1 minus, this will be the ba1 multiply by c1b minus ab1, and this a and a cancel out, we get the term. So the term is that we have the final answer, that is a1 minus c1 whole square is equals to, we want this, that is this will be the bc1 minus of ab1 multiply by this term, that is b1c, minus this term, that is a1b. So this is our final answer. We have to prove this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.